So this app has made me over $13,000 with no followers and nobody's talking about it yet. So here's the actual screenshot, 13,000 in less than 90 days and right into my bank account. While most people are chasing views and virality, this completely flips the entire script for everybody. No followers, no audience, no ads, just leverage a very simple 4-step system. Now, as you can see, I posted my first thing 4 months ago when the TikTok ban was happening, and I just started posting out of curiosity. People were talking about making tons of money on this app, and I was like, is this a scam? It seems way too good to be true, and 99% of the time, it is too good to be true. So, low effort, 1 or 2 posts a day, and my very first post made me $10, which obviously isn't a lot of money, but I immediately was like, this actually makes money. But now I literally get paid and cashed out directly to my bank while I'm sleeping, which is dope. And if you have a phone and 30 minutes a week, you could literally do the exact same thing. I'm putting in 5 hours a month to this total. So if you do have an extra 30 minutes a week, you literally have a second stream of income waiting. I'm putting 5 hours a month into this, and it's printing. So we're talking about the app called Flip, right? You've probably never heard of it because it was a relatively small app before TikTok got banned, so-called, for 48 hours, which is the reason I hopped over to the platform. Think of it as Amazon meets TikTok, and it was originally for product reviews, and since the ban of TikTok, it has developed into a thriving social media platform that is the highest incentive I've ever seen. Like, you guys know I started doing YouTube in 2012. I've tried every single platform since then. Vine, Musical.ly, TikTok, Snapchat, YouTube, Instagram, you name it, doesn't matter what it is, I've tried it. But the thing is, they actually pay their creators. Unlike these other platforms, it's the highest payout rate in CTV I've ever seen. YouTube, you can get paid around $1,000 for 1 million views on shorts. You guys know TikTok pays you $1,000 for 1 million views, but you get paid up to $30 for 1,000 views. And with that math, you can make up to $30,000 for 1 million views, which is unheard of on any platform at that. But the best part about it is you can make money from your very first post. You don't need a minimum of 4,000 subscribers, 4,000 followers, or 10,000 followers like you do on TikTok. You don't need to be invited to the bonus program like Instagram. From your very first post, you can start making money. So, after seeing that I can make $7 from one post and seeing that I post 20 times on my other platforms a day, I continued to post and post again, and then I scaled it, systemized it, and I've been able to print over $13,000 in 90 days. And now we're having consistent weeks of $1,000, which is fucking sick. So I'm going to walk you through exactly what I did and what I have taught every one of my friends, family, and clients to do. Let's get into it. So like I said, while this app was originally founded on you guys doing product reviews, I am using the feature of this app called Clips. There's Clips and there's Flips. Flips is where you buy products or you get products sent to you and you can literally just do a review on it and you get paid solely off of views and commissions, almost like TikTok Shop. I'm taking advantage of Clips, where you yap and you talk to the camera and you share your opinion and you debate and you get paid directly from that, from shares, views, comments, and all engagement types. So what did I do? How did I make $13,000 from this? Let's go ahead and get into it. I'm going to make this very streamlined for all of you because I know a lot of the people that are watching this video will be of the older demographics, which is the best part about this actual platform. $13,000. As you can see, from February, March, April, we have made a total of $13,000. We are cashing it out directly to the bank, and it's the exact amount. We have more on the way. As of the time of this recording, it is the end of May, so we've made even more. But where we started 4 months ago, you guys can see 44 followers, absolutely no followers, and I made my first $100 within 48 hours of using this application, which is insane for anybody that's never made money on the internet before. I saw a lot of potential in it. I decided to keep going. I was just posting videos documenting how I was creating content. As you can see, I'm literally waking up out of bed looking like a fucking idiot, but it made another $15. Another video just documenting what I'm doing, $5, $15, $15. And you guys can see how if you're posting 5 videos a day, we're just going to do some quick math really quick. If my videos were at max to get 2,000 views every single day, and, you know, I'm posting 5 times a day. Let's say 2 of the videos get 2,000 views. So let's do 15 times 2 times 30. You're making an easy $900 a day. But that's actually not the case because there's a lot more reach, there's a lot more people, and there's a lot more opportunity. So let's just get right into that. We have a couple of different earnings amounts from different accounts. We have in the very beginning of May, I believe this was the first day I was excited because it started to actually pop and snowball. You guys can see within day 1, we made $70, so coming up on $70 a day. This is another screenshot right here where things are starting to snowball. This is the previous month. And if I see something that is going to work, I 10x on it, right? Now, these are a couple of screenshots, smaller amounts. I always screenshot at the beginning of the month to see how it's actually doing. 19 minutes a day. If you total this up, this is coming out to 5 hours a month. And then I'm just popping everything over here to Flip. Yes, I do spend a little bit more time on Flip doing content research, viewing other people's pages, engaging, doing shit like that. But this platform, you only need to pick up your phone for a couple of minutes a day, talk to the camera, and pop it over there. So we're going to talk about exactly what I do and the 4 pillars of content that I actually create that makes it so easy. Number 1, a lot of people are going to think this is dumb. This works for me. If you ever have a sick conversation with your boys, your friends, whatever, you guys probably have things like, oh shit, I wish I could talk about that, or that would be a cool podcast topic, or maybe something just comes to mind, you want to get it out there, or you want to talk about it, or you're passionate about something. This platform rewards the fuck out of people who share their honest opinions. Put emotion into it. In a video that I posted recently, I said, you can get paid to yap and share your opinions and make a change in the world, or you can get paid to shut up and work your 9-to-5 job where nobody gives a fuck about your opinion. You get paid to talk about your opinions. My opinions are the ones that have gone the most viral, and I'm going to show you that here in a second. That's the first pillar of content. Random fucking thoughts that come into my head. Number 2, ChatGPT generating the fucking most just obnoxious, controversial contrast content. This does very, very well. I've started several debates and they've gotten hundreds of thousands of views. Not from me, but from other people. Usually I get anywhere between 20 to 100,000 views on my videos now. As you can see, this is posted 13 days ago. This is the debate feature. This is where I'm saying you are paid to share your opinion, which is super sick because all you have to do, find a debate, click on the green debate button, shoot a video yapping about it, and then you're going to get paid for it directly. 28,000 views, and I'm going to show you exactly how much this made in a second. And the last kind of content is the actual talking about products. There are some products that I do review. There's a lot of products that I literally just do camera down, unboxing, video done. You get paid for that. If you post flips, it boosts your account. But like I said, we take advantage of clips because that's where I'm making most of my money. I don't get many sales. But if I get a cool product and I can make money from the product and share it, and I actually like the product, why not share it? So this is currently what I'm doing to print money every single day, right? So this is something that I just started. I was like, you guys need to stop being losers. You need to understand that this is becoming a social media platform, whatever the case may be. I'm pretty polarizing on this platform, I'm not gonna lie. I hope that you guys jump on this platform and you see my content. I think it's fucking hilarious. Posted this a month ago, got 69,000 views. And if we're gonna go over here and look at the statistics for it, this one video made me $242, almost $250, to talk for a total of, I believe it was 2 to 3 minutes. Auto captions, throw some music on it, put some shit above my head, post it, done. That's the video. It's pretty simple, pretty easy. There are tiny little metrics and tips and tricks and things you need to know about the platform, but just generally speaking, $250, you would need 250,000 views, and they would need to be qualified views. But on here, 60K. 68K. So that's that video. This video right here was a pretty stupid topic, just a debate. I'm pretty sure the debate was, were you popular in high school? And I got paid $145 to talk about the fact that I was a loser creating content in high school. Like, come on now. Literally, you're just paid to share your opinions, which is absolutely fucking sick. So with that being said, bank deposits straight from Flip through Stripe into my account, Bank of America account right here. This was not even that long ago. I think this was last month. And it's truly amazing how simple this has been made to be. So these are the payouts that I'm getting. This was just yesterday. I got a $700 payout. And then I also was accepted into the Flip Creator Fund, which is where I am now part of the Founding Creators Program. I was granted 11 grand, and unlike most UGC platforms, I can actually talk about this because this is completely public. So this was super fucking sick. I've had that opportunity. I'm getting consistent income every single week from running my mouth about social media and the things that I know. I have the grant as a byproduct of everything that I am talking about on the platform. I am now being able to funnel more people and get more clients into my program, showing people how UGC and brand content works, which is fucking sick. I am an absolute fucking G at creating content. I'm good at it. I can make cinematography. I can pick up the camera, and I am saucy with the content creation. But what I will say is I'm not the only one making money from this, right? This guy, he started 2 months ago. He's been creating content for 2 years, but never made any money. He started 2 months ago. He's made 3 grand in the past month. Super dope guy, by the way. You'll probably see him if you hop on the platform. She's made over $2,500, and as you guys can see right here, most people aren't making money from sales and the flips. They're making money from talking. She's also made a fuck ton of money. This one right here, she's a runway model, and she does modeling, and she does clothing and stuff like that. She's also made a fuck ton of money. This is also in the last month. She's made $4,600, guys. Also in my program, we have this kid. He's 16 years old. He's making as much as he is at his job on Flip, yapping and talking shit and participating in debates, which is dope. Another $600, as well as other deposits from his brand deals. So, the real question is, how can you make the same money from this program as all of these other people, right? This is what you can do today to start making money. If you have a phone and you have opinions, you are literally sitting on another stream of income for completely free. Like I showed you, I'm sharing my opinions. I'm talking about I was a fucking loser in high school because I was homeschooled and I had no friends and I was on my Xbox creating content like I am today, and now it's my full-time income. But I shared my opinion and made $150, which you can do the exact same thing, by the way. So this is exactly what I did, and if you guys want more in-depth videos on exactly what I'm doing, my day-to-day process, me shooting, scripting, prompts, and all that good stuff, comment below and I'm happy to share it with you. But if you want to get started with this today, click on the link below, download Flip, and post your first video. I don't care. If you go to ChatGPT and you generate something, do that. Or go look for one of the debates, find something that has a green debate that has more than 10 people on it, it's active and people are talking about it. If you feel like it resonates with you or you want to talk about it, go yap to the camera. Post your first video today. I promise you, you are sitting on a fucking gold mine. Nobody is talking about this. I'm partnered with Flip. We're working on something for Q3 that I can't tell you guys about right now, but I'm partnered with them. I work with them. I work on this every single day, and this is my main priority for creators like you who are looking to actually make money from your opinion and the things that you do every single day. So, if you want to get started on another stream of income, click the link below, download Flip, and post your first video today. I don't care what time it is. Until next time, remember to get 1% better every single day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.